Sonic Sound, and today we got a little bit of unboxing going on. I'm excited about this. They've been out maybe for about 2-3 months already, but you know, I want to show people what they look like, the speakers pods for the new 2018-2021 Jeep Wrangler. We got Pablo here, who's gonna help me out unbox it. Let's go ahead and open this up, Pablo. Let's see what's going on, man. Let's see what's up. So these pods came out, I would say about 3 months ago, and the cool thing about it, well, let me see here where they open it up. What is that? Polyfill? It looks like a Polyfill. Some instructions, I guess, how to do this. It looks like a little template. I believe there's some cutting involved in this, you know. But let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got those 2 speaker pods. Let's open that up. Let's see what these babies look like. All this stuff is supposed to be plug and play, so you don't have to do any cutting or anything. Wow, look at that. Look at the finish on that. It's gonna look really nice. Looks like it's gonna go bolted where everything, you know, where the factory bolts are. Let's see what the speakers are in the back. It looks like we have a 6.5-inch component with the tweeter, you know, with the 1-inch tweeter. You can see the crossovers back here. So it looks like should be a nice clean install. Pretty much almost, I wouldn't say anybody can do it, but I mean, if you know how to use cut a little bit and use the speaker plate here, you should be able, be able to put that in there. Let's see, what is this? That's it. We don't have anything else. So it's pretty cool. So what this does, Pablo, here, so you can kind of tell people, I mean, this basically is for your 2018-2021 Jeep Wrangler. Basically, I don't know what and why Jeep did this, but from 2018, all the JLs, they come with a 4-inch speaker in the back with a 3.5-inch speaker. The older JK had 6.5-inch components, which was great because then you can just, get any of the speakers here, components, and then we were able to put those on there. But now the way they made it, and we'll show you in the video later on, how everything's set up, in the factory JL now. But this is gonna make our life easier. It's an easy upgrade, for customers that want something like this. They're supposed to be just plug and play. You're supposed to, plug them in, and you're ready to go, and then get a better sounding speakers. Oh yeah. So let's get to to the pods. Let's take down the factory ones, and let's see how the video goes. Say bye, Pablo.
Let's go.
All right, man. Let's go. Taking the soundbar off. Now we're just gonna go on and work on it right now. So this is the speakers that come with the 2020 Wrangler. Little 4-inch and a 3.25, you're saying?
Yeah,
that one. Okay. So this plate just comes out. A few screws. Here's the Alpines that we're going to be putting in. did this cut here. The next step will be to put some of this what do you call this, Mike? Polyfill. Polyfill. But before we do that, we did put some Tesla tape here. There's 2 plugs that come with it. We're not gonna use the bigger plug. I'm gonna use the smaller plug for the new install. Okay. So this here, we put a little bit of Tesla tape so we can put in there. And then we're just gonna plug this in here. And then this just gonna tuck that in there. Yeah. Show me that. Make sure that goes in there. And then we're gonna put the new, comes with new bolts for it because a little bit bigger. But this is gonna be the end result. You just gotta go for the next one. Okay, so we got did the second cut for the other speaker. Just vacuum that out. We're gonna take all the little pieces of plastic that came in. We'll put the next polyfill in there. Should be almost done with it. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. 6.5-inch components. And then, like I said, this one, same thing. We're not gonna use the bigger adapter. I'm just gonna put some Tesla tape on it. Make sure that's out of the way. I'm gonna be using the smaller adapter for it. Cool. The new screw. Cool. Got it all set up. We're ready to put it on. Bolts. Ooh. This one is in place. You get that plug?
Yeah, I'm gonna plug it in right now.
And this is for the dome.
You have the dome? Never mind. Oh, we put that out.
That's the last piece. So we are all done. This is how they came out. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think it looks very nice. So what Alpine did. Let's see if we can hear them a little bit. See what we got here. See if you can listen to them. See how it sounds. Sounds good. They sound really good. this one's here in stock at the shop. So if you guys have any questions or if you guys need to purchase them, just give us a call here at Sonic Sound and we'll take care of that for you. We'll do the install and we can sell you the speakers here.